Okay, let's start with the star of the show. This is the air fryer. Oh my gosh, those look delicious. And this is the chicken satay. So we've used the skewer set that you can buy to go with the air fryer. It goes on the rotisserie spit, and you put it on the rotisserie setting for 17 minutes. Next, we've got the quick cooker, and in here we've got some, it's gonna not, yeah, there's not too much pressure built up because it's been doing a natural release for 15 minutes. We put together in here some delicious brown rice. Man, I swear this quick cooker makes the best rice. I absolutely love it. It's just delicious. I did a small amount tonight because there's only my husband and I here. But anyway, beautifully cooked rice, and it's hands off. I love that the best, I think. Here is some of the chicken satay sauce. It's got some peanut butter, it's got some cayenne pepper and soy sauce and a little bit of oil and some ginger and garlic, and anyway, it's going to be delicious. It is so good. And then here is our new deluxe electric grill and griddle, and in this I just grilled some broccoli. Oh my goodness, you guys, I just tossed it in a little bit of olive oil, and then I used my absolute favorite garlic herb rub, tossed it in that, put it on the griddle setting, and just grilled it for 5 minutes. And so it's gonna be lovely. This guy is the ticket for getting this rotisserie spit out here easily. You lift up the right-hand side, and then the other side has to come out of the crevice. And then I just put mine on a sheet pan once it comes out to let it cool for a few minutes. Oh my goodness, you can see the steam right there. And then I'll just take them off the skewers and serve it with the rice. Again, I'll put the picture of my finished plate in the comments below. Thanks, guys. Good night.